What's up, YouTube? It is ya boy Lopes, and welcome back to another video. And listen to that acoustics, because we are here at DC Auto Spa. This is my good buddy Derek. He just opened up a detailing shop, many years of detailing at different companies and stuff. And this shop is spectacular. And we're gonna give the daily some love and get a whole bunch of stuff done. And there's Derek. Say hi. Stop being shy.
What up, YouTube?
There you go. So welcome back. We're in the merch again. Gotta represent. So there's a few delays on the merch. So if you guys did order, unfortunately my supplier, these shirts exactly that I ordered are on a back order, and he's waiting for his come in, but I promise you they'll come in. The next batch I will buy in advance, and then I'll start selling. This is the first time I did it. But let's get into the video. Today's gonna be a vlog style type of video, and we're gonna get the car detailed, get some nice cinematic shots. This is Derek's beautiful shop. He's still not technically a work in progress, but it's a very nice shop. Let's show you. Very clean shop. He's located in Mississauga. We're gonna get the daily, some love, well-needed love. And then after, when the CSX is on the road, we'll get the CSX on the road. He's gonna be doing ceramic coatings eventually and all that. So he just moved into this unit, and as you can see, it's spotless. And he's very particular how he does things. He's very neat and organized. And we're gonna just get a few shots in here, and maybe we'll check out the CSX later in the day. But daily needs some love. Derek, what are you gonna say? You gotta talk to the YouTube, tell them what's up, come check you out. This is Drake's cousin over here. Welcome to the 416. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. I just wanted to show you guys what's up. This shop is awesome. This is 1744 Mearside Street East. I'll tag his Instagram down below. It's DC Auto Spa, simple enough. Yep, Derek Cabral. Derek Cabra. Because he's the GOAT in detailing. Portuguese people only understand that. What's up? Let's get into it. We're getting back into spring, so what that means is we're gonna get more car videos, and maybe sometime after June is when we're really gonna kick it off, and that's when I'm going to start rolling out more videos like crazy. But we are here, we're enjoying, and I'm gonna show you guys the car right now because I look mint. So check it out, the car is looking absolutely fantastic and flawless. Now this is where he's gonna really have some fun. Have fun cleaning that interior, Derek. Have fun, Derek.
Easy, my friend.
So now what I'm doing is I'm debating on what I should do with the 10th Gen. I want to put a front lip on it, but I don't know which one. I don't know if I should go Type R again, because like you guys saw before, I lost the front lip through the winter, and I don't like any other lip too much, but like comment down below, comment down below and let me know what lip you guys like on the 10th Gen, and maybe we can get that done. And I want to get HFP side skirts. I really like those, and maybe work a diffuser in the back. So we do got plans for this. And now the weather's getting better. I got some pipings installed to make the car louder and faster. Yeah! Look at this. Alex, what'd you do recently that we didn't get to record because we did it at work?
I
I mean, you know, what'd you do recently? What'd you do recently? What's that over there, Bucky? Did you get a blow-off valve? What type of blow-off valve did you get?
Go fast bits.
Go fast bits, huh?
3 weeks later.
And we are back a few weeks later. So, as you saw before, it was a whole bunch of detailing that we did to the car, and you know, it's pretty cool and entertaining, but I want to give you guys a little more context to the video, give you guys a little more substance, and we have something to install in the 10th gen in this box, and I'm gonna show you what's up. And if you guys like the detailing video, let me know. Shot a little more cinematic, vlog kind of style, and I'll have an actual product video for DC Auto Spa, and I'll have some of it in this video too. Won't be exactly the same. The CSX is finally on the road, ladies and gentlemen. It's a huge deal. It finally, since last July, I haven't driven it on the road. I drove it yesterday. We have a lot of small things to do to it. Get the R compounds on there and stuff like that. But yeah, let's just get into the rest of the video. Let's install something on my 10th gen, and check this out. I had raccoons on my car. God damn, it's so dirty, but on top of it, I had raccoons. I was very impressed of how it came. This is basically sealed up like very well with a lot of foam. And then these were all in individual bags, and it came with some adhesive promoter. And yeah, the carbon looks pretty good. We have it compared to the carbon trunk, and as you can see, the color is just a little off, but it could be the way the sun's hitting. Let's check here. The weave looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Looks pretty good. I'm excited. Comes with 3M on it. I'm not going to add any 3M because we have the adhesive promoter. And so what we're going to do is we're going to wipe down the dash with the adhesive promoter and a dust cloth, and we'll get putting this on and see how it looks. What we are doing is we are putting carbon on here, carbon on that, and carbon on that, so that this wet carbon fiber, or normal kind of carbon fiber, can match that. As you guys can see, the Type R steering wheel is in. I finally got the other side. So if I can move back a bit, you guys can see how it looks. I'm really happy with how the interior is starting to come along. Like I said, I still have to finish that and fix that up a little bit, but all the carbon is looking really good. So what I did is I just used one of my interior cloths. I just gave it a wipe down. There's nothing on here. I don't use any type of product, and I'd highly suggest you don't either. It might affect the way it sticks. And once again, I've already given it a bit of a wipe down. We're gonna wipe down again. So here's one of them, just a small little cloth, and I'm just gonna wipe it down. Give it a good wipe, and especially in between this crevice over here, just for the fact that that's where it sticks as well. It smells like a bit of alcohol. Not too sure actually what it is, but I know it helps stick, which is great. And we're getting, sorry guys, we're just getting a good clean here. And let's get a good clean here. This is just a little difficult with one person. I think Alex is on his way actually. Here's a comparison between the two, and they look like they match. As you can see, they look really good. And we'll just do a test fit for one of them over here so you guys can see. And it's a direct replacement and it goes right over. It's gonna look really good. Carbon fiber. And there you go. Yeah, right, that's it.
Yeah, push down, man. That's it.
There you go. All right, so because I have this carbon fiber piece here, this isn't, I guess it's not the same company. I don't know if it, oh. Yo, I just got it.
You took the paper off already?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, holy shit, there you go.
Okay.
That just,
Okay.
that,
It's popping on a little bit. Okay. Oh, no, we're good.
there you go. At first it wasn't fitting, then somehow it just slipped through, and I guess you have to angle it in a certain way to get it in there. So you might have like really tight fitment fitment issues with this, but it actually fit in there, and it went in there nice. And now we are just, Skate's put the camera in my face. And now we're just pushing, and there you go. Pressure's on, dude.
Pressure's on. Pressure's on?
Pressure is on.
Okay. Okay. Hang Hang on. I have to go tight here, man. Or else it's gonna look retarded.
Go tight, I guess, to the right side. You're a little too high.
Am I?
Yeah.
I am. Okay, hang on.
Go with the silver line.
Yeah, and I got it. Yep, I got it.
Eureka's!
I got it.
There you go. The interior is coming along quite nicely.
Yeah.
Even though there's no direct carbon fiber replacement parts, or else I'd be more entertained with that. But the interior is getting spicy with carbon fiber. So this thing's looking sick. We got that. Now we have these pieces here.
Ideally, carbon fiber. Hey, you love it, eh?
I know. I have problems. Ideally, I'd like to replace this with
Carbon fiber?
Yeah.
Everything's carbon fiber.
I would like to replace this with carbon fiber to go with that, because this is just like odd.
Yeah.
And then fix my shift boot properly. And then we got that there. We got the steering wheel, and then I just need carbon for that. To kind of trifecta of carbon.
Fuck, man. I wish I had this for my car.
Right? I'll put the link down below. I'm pretty sure they still have the link up. If I do, I'll put it down below for that. It took me like a few months to get in. But it worked out perfect for this video, so you guys have a little more substance, because we're continuing from when we were detailing the cars, Alex.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to add a little more substance to it, that's one. That is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We had some detailing, even though it doesn't look like it now because it's a few weeks later. And then we added some carbon fiber to the car, and the interior is starting to look really, really good. Tension's coming along slowly. We have to take off the tires from the CSX, put it on the RPF ones with the 10th gen, and then the CSX get with the Advent RZs are getting the R compounds, and then we got a few things to switch around. We got the good weather coming finally. It's like 14 degrees, which is amazing down here compared to probably where you guys are, in like California and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. Do it once, do it right. Like, comment, subscribe. Merch is finally coming in. Hopefully I'm picking it up today. It's been like a long 3-4 week back order wait. So to everyone who's bought some, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. And then my second round, I'm gonna buy shirts in advance so that it's easier to just hand out instead of ordering and waiting for it, and we won't have this issue. So you live and you learn, and I'm starting to getting my knowledge into the merch and all that type of stuff. But enough rambling. Like, comment, subscribe for more 10 gen videos, CSX, Subaru videos back there. People want to see your mod list, Alex.
Oh, yeah?
It's an extensive mod list for that. So hopefully Alex will be cool one day. We'll make one of that, and then his Civic that you guys don't know about, we're gonna make a very funny video with that. So later, guys. Peace.